What's going on, y'all? Just your friendly neighborhood young Chevy truck trying to bring you guys another video today. And today, working on my motor. It didn't really go as planned, but stay tuned and you'll see what we do to figure it out. But yeah, I know it's been a while, but 2023, we're back at it. Make sure that you go subscribe to Becoming the Bandit on YouTube. That is my new YouTube channel where I'm focusing on, it's really gonna be a slew of different things, but like it's gonna be all the things that I'm into that don't really involve cars like that. So if you want to see, you know, the boxing journey, the marksman journey, all that, just trying to become best version of yourself, you know, living on your edge as a man, all that. If you want to see that, then make sure you go subscribe to Becoming the Bandit on YouTube, and make sure you follow me on Instagram of the same name, Becoming the Bandit on YouTube. So let's go ahead, get into this footage. Ooh. Yeah, they didn't want these to go nowhere. I know this video isn't really filled with a lot of instruction, but I'm just kind of in this mode of just getting it done because I could probably talk all day about small things here and there. So, you know, I hope y'all don't mind. I'm not really talking much on this video because I am literally in that mode, just trying to get it done. It's freezing out here, and I figure there are a million other instructional videos that are probably way better for you to watch if you're doing this at home than this one. So, like I said, I hope y'all don't mind. I'm just trying to get it done, and I just wanted to kind of show y'all the journey and the process. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get back into regular uploading, so I'm trying not to be so critical of every little piece of content that I make. So hope y'all are enjoying it. But right now, I'm about to go ahead and put the rear main seal in. As y'all can see, I already did the bearings for that half of the equation. And so I'm gonna do the rear main seal. I'm gonna put some sealant on the back side that sits right there in the block, the back side of the seal. And what else? I'm gonna put some also, I'm gonna put some on the outside in here a little bit. I'm not gonna put anything on the edges here until I'm doing the top half, because then I want that to be the last final seal. I don't want it to sit there for forever while I, you know, finagle the crank in and all that. So I'm gonna wait till I'm doing these right here, and then I'll put some on the very edge, like mating surfaces where the seals come together. And so yeah, so let's go ahead and get to it. Yeah, just a little bead in there. Like I said, I'm not the spokesperson or the genius for stuff like this, so follow me at your own risk, okay? I'm not a Chevy motor building expert or nothing like that, so yeah. What was next? Oh yeah, alright, so it's time to go ahead and prepare these things, prepare the main caps. But you know what? It's really time to go ahead and set the crank in now. Just gotta put some sealant, not sealant, but some whatever that stuff is on there, and then I can go ahead and set the crank in. So that's exciting. You know what I'm saying? Very exciting. Whew. Alright, it's time to put assembly lube in these things and drop the caps on. While this RTV is still in that state. Alright. I gotta make sure I got this gasket staggered the way I want it to be, roughly. Yeah, that looks like about it. There we go. Cool. That's what it was. Yeah, that looks good. And there's really like no way to see the seal after you do this, which is like creeping me out quite a bit. But we can sit here and overthink all we want, you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna help nothing, so I might as well just, you know, do what you can do your due diligence and make sure you cover all the bases all you can, and then move on with your life. But it looks like the seals made it up just fine. All right, 4. All right, that should be everything. I'm going to torque down everything to 25 foot-pounds, and then I'm going to do the end play. But before I do the end play, I want to do all of the hammering that I have to do, because I just got OCD when it comes to having the end play set and then having to hammer on the crankshaft for any reason. So I'm going to do the Woodruff keys, or at least that's what I think they're called, the little keys up front, and then do the crank sprocket right afterward. And then that way all the hammering is done, and then I can set the end play, and then I don't have to hammer on it afterward and have OCD about it later on. So yeah, let's get to it. And actually, y'all, I just wanted to let you know now, I severely regret torquing these to 20 foot-pounds because I'm gonna have to take them off in order to set the end play. I actually was instructed to only put the front and the back main caps on, and I didn't do that. I did all of them because I guess I saw so many other people do all of them. I thought it'd be fine for me, but yeah, I was told to do the front and the back, and then set the end play. So I'm gonna have to take these out because it's too tight to move the crank now. Well, for me anyway. I don't know. Maybe I'm not strong enough, but it's kind of tight at just 20 foot-pounds to move it. So I'm gonna have to take them back off. So I just want to let y'all know that. All right, so just like that, yeah, I think this one's pretty much over. This is being filmed on Christmas. This is actually Christmas Eve, so nothing is gonna be open for a while. But I think I'm gonna have to get some different keys for my crank because these are flopping around a little too easy. I would love to have this just done completely, in place set and all this in one video, but I think it's best to just separate them in two videos. So that's what I'm gonna do. And y'all will just have to stay tuned till next time. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I will see you in the next one, and have a good one.